Curious about where the aloe vera in your skincare actually comes from? Beyond the little pot of succulents on your windowsill lies a vast, carefully managed world of aloe cultivation. Join us on a field-to-factory journey to see how sturdy green leaves become health-giving products. Along the way, you'll witness the teamwork between knowledgeable farmers and precise machines, and discover how we unlock the plant's natural healing power step by step. Aloe vera is instantly recognizable by its thick, fleshy leaves, and is widely respected for its soothing, restorative properties. Though its exact origin is debated, its importance is not. People have valued aloe for more than 6,000 years. Ancient Egyptians cultivated it along the Mediterranean and used it to calm sunburn, reduce inflammation, and support skin repair. Legends say Cleopatra relied on aloe-based treatments to preserve her beauty, a symbol of youth and purity that many Egyptian women still admire today. Across the classical world, stories also credit Greek deities and Roman healers with turning to aloe, often calling it a plant of immortality for its reputed ability to support vitality and long life. Growing aloe begins with careful propagation. Farmers select healthy young offshoots, lateral buds known as ramets, from mature plants. These baby plants are moved into a nursery, where they receive measured watering and gentle protection from harsh direct light. In this safe environment, their roots strengthen and spread, building a foundation for resilient growth once they are transplanted into open fields. When seedlings are robust, workers transplant them with precise spacing to ensure each plant has ample room for light, airflow, and nutrients. Aloe needs regular but moderate watering. The soil must drain well because the plant dislikes standing water. Avoiding soggy conditions is essential to keep roots oxygenated and healthy. With the right balance of moisture and sunshine, the plants develop steadily, their leaves thickening as internal gel reserves accumulate. Harvest typically begins 8 to 12 months after planting, once the leaves reach about 40 to 60 centimeters in length and meet thickness standards. Skilled harvesters cut mature outer leaves as close to the base as possible, allowing the central rosette to keep growing and pushing out fresh leaves. What makes aloe particularly remarkable is its longevity in the field. Farmers can return to the same plant every 6 to 8 weeks and continue this selective harvest cycle for 4 to 5 years, maximizing yield while keeping the plant vigorous. Processing starts the moment leaves arrive at the facility. First comes a thorough wash and disinfection to remove soil, dust, and any potential contaminants. This careful cleaning stage ensures that every leaf entering the next steps is safe, sanitized, and ready for quality handling, an essential foundation for food-grade juice and skincare-grade gel. After washing, the leaves are trimmed, Technicians remove the base and the serrated edges to expose the inner fillet and speed up gel extraction. While machines assist with handling and consistency, trained workers still do most of the delicate work by hand. Because leaf size and shape vary, human precision is vital. Using sharp tools and practiced technique, workers separate the clear, pearly gel from the outer rind, while minimizing damage and waste. Once collected, the gel undergoes rigorous quality testing. Experts measure pH, viscosity, color, and texture to confirm purity and batch consistency. Only gel that meets strict specifications advances. For aloe vera juice, the liquid is carefully pasteurized to reduce microbes while preserving nutrients, helping keep vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants intact. The juice is then filled in a sterile environment to lock in freshness and flavor, ensuring each bottle is both safe and beneficial. Aloe vera isn't prized only for juice. Its versatile gel is beloved in skincare for good reason. Applied topically, aloe gel can help cool sun-exposed skin, calm temporary redness, and support the natural healing of small surface wounds. Its lightweight, soothing feel makes it a favorite in daily routines, from after-sun care to gentle moisturizers and masks. If you enjoyed seeing how aloe travels from field to factory, and how tradition, careful farming, and modern science work together, tap like and share this video. Your support helps more people discover the story behind the products they use every day. Thanks for watching.